Hi, I'm Jafari from 8skies Consulting. This is continuation of accounting for education institutions. We have already done part 1 and part 2 of this lesson. Now in part 3, we're going to discuss about fee structure. How we can capture our fee structure in this accounting system. But why should we capture fee structure? It's very important to capture fee structure in this accounting system because we will be issuing invoices to these students. These students here, when we click here, we can see these are the students here. Now on the invoices column, you can see everyone is dash dash, which means we have not yet issued any invoice to these students. Now we cannot issue invoices if we don't have fee structure. So what we're going to do now is to set our fee structure in this accounting system. So going back to our model question, and then we scroll down. This is part which is talking about fee structure. As you can see, we have fee structure for the scholars, and we have fee structure for boarders. So we have tuition fees, and we have other fees. So for other fees, we have entrance fees, we have uniforms, we have library, we have caution money, we have pocket money, and so forth and so forth. Now, again, we have another description here down. The description tells us what are the fees for the first installment and what are the fees for the second installment and what are the fees for the third installments, and so forth and so forth. Now, how do we do it? Unfortunately, we cannot talk about school fees without talking about the chart of accounts. Because when we talk about the school fees, we are actually talking about the chart of accounts. So, for example, let's see. Of course, first we will need to pay tuition fees or school fees. Now, let's go back to our accounting system and see if we have income account which is called the school fees. So how do we go to the chart of accounts? To go to the chart of accounts, you can refer to our previous lessons, in the other lessons, how to deal with the chart of accounts. But we're going to redo it here. In order to see our chart of accounts, you scroll down to settings. When you click on settings, then you have your chart of accounts here. So you click on chart of accounts. Now, as you can see, we have school fees here as a group, and under school fees we have catering, we have swimming. All these are the income accounts here. So please go back to our previous lessons to review on how you can create these income accounts here. So catering, class examination, registrations. Why am I not seeing? Okay, we have tuition fee here. So tuition fees is our school fees. Okay, so we have tuition fees. Now, according to our chart of accounts, these are the tuition fees. These are the tuition fees here. Okay, then we need to have entrance fees. Yeah, we need to have entrance fees. Let's go to the chart of accounts and see if we have entrance fees. I'm not seeing entrance fees, but I guess it's this one here. So I'm going to edit application fees, and then I'm going to rename it as entrance fees. So I'm creating income accounts. Why am I creating income accounts? But again, entrance fees is part of school fees. So it will be under school fees. So I'm going to update that one. What another account do we have? According to our model question, we have uniform fees. So we must have income account for uniform. Yes, I can see we have income account for uniform. Okay. What else? According to our question, we need library fees, caution money, and so forth. So let me go here. I'm not seeing library fees, so I'm going to edit this account here and put this one as library fees. Gonna create it. Once you create library fees, then we have caution money, pocket money. Let me see if we have those accounts. Caution money and pocket money. Ooh. Pocket money. I'm not seeing, so I'm going to edit this account here, and then I'm gonna call it caution money. Caution money. But again, caution money is not income to the school. It's a liability. Most of the school, they need students to deposit certain amount of money, and then when they complete the school, maybe in Form 4, and they haven't lost anything. For example, they haven't destroyed any book, or they have not lost any book, so they will be given back. So caution money is not under income. It won't appear under income. It will be under, and actually this is not even its place. So it's a liability account. It's a liability account. So I must create that account on the liability side. So this is these are the assets, and do we have these are the liabilities. I'm not seeing caution money here, so I will have to create. So I click new account on this side, and then I say this is caution money. Caution money. I'm creating this one on the balance sheet side because it's a liability account. It's not income to the school. So this will be under liabilities. Then I create it. Then another account is pocket money. Again, pocket money is another liability. It's not income to school. It's a liability. It will be given back to the students. So this is pocket money. Pocket money. Pocket money. And then this is, again, this is liability. So I go ahead and create it. And then according to our fee structure, we have medical fees, graduation, and the study tour. So medical fees, graduation, and the study tour. These are the income accounts. So when I go to our chart of accounts, let me see, graduation is here, and then we have medical. I'm not seeing any medical, so I'm going to edit one of them. I'm going to edit one of them, and then I'm going to write medical fees, and then you update that. And then what else? Graduation and study tour. Let me see if we have graduation. Yes, graduation is here. And then do we have study tour? I'm not seeing study tour, so I can edit this music, and instead I'm gonna put it study tour. Study tour fees, or let me call it contribution. This is income account. So be careful. I've created accounts according to our school fees structure here. So this is income account, this is income account, this is income account, but this is not income account. It's a liability account. You better be careful. This is also liability account. The remaining accounts are income accounts. So that's it. Remember, we are going to set a fee structure in this accounting system, but we have started by creating respective income account or liability accounts depending on the nature of the account according to the fee structure here. Thank you very much for watching.